Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon and eggs. First, arrange 4 to 6 strips of bacon in a cold skillet. Place the skillet over medium-low heat, allowing the bacon to cook slowly and evenly until it reaches your desired crispiness. This gentle cooking renders the fat beautifully. Once done, remove the bacon and set it aside on a paper towel-lined plate, leaving about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the rendered fat in the pan for the eggs. Now, let's prepare the eggs. With the skillet still warm from the bacon, crack 2 to 3 fresh eggs directly into the hot bacon fat. Cook them over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the whites are set and the yolks are still a bit runny, if you prefer. Season generously with a pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper to enhance their flavor. It's time to bring it all together for the ultimate bacon and egg experience. Carefully transfer your perfectly cooked eggs onto a plate, right alongside the crispy bacon strips. For an extra touch of freshness, you might consider adding a light sprinkle of finely chopped fresh chives over the eggs. The goal is to have those yolks still slightly soft, ready for dipping. Your delicious bacon and eggs are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately to experience the best possible taste and texture. This classic combination pairs wonderfully with a slice of buttered toast, perfect for soaking up any runny yolk, or a fresh side of fruit for a balanced meal. Take a moment to savor the rich, savory flavors you've created.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.